Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Adam Sullivan. Hundreds of Vermonters poured into Montpelier today to promote health care as a human right. Christine Hinkel has our report.
Supporters left City Hall Saturday morning and marched down State Street. They made their way here to the State House lawn, where singers, actors, and politicians preached health care for all.
Mr. President, this is what Vermont has done.
A bill moving through the State House would have Vermont study 3 health care models, including a single-payer system, something Washington rejected.
I'm 70, and I have friends in their 90s, and we all have Medicare. And we all say, we're so lucky. I mean, everyone should have Medicare, and that's what this is really looking at.
Dakota Brizendine is expecting a boy in late June. She says health care for young families should not be a luxury only for those with deep pockets.
It becomes a lot more real when you are, holding, the future, and you start to think a lot more about, the well-being of everyone as a whole.
Supporters here say healthcare reform isn't moving fast enough. They want universal coverage now. Others say let newly passed reforms take effect before we go any further.
I just think setting up, again, a completely different course of action than the rest of the country is just not wise at this time. The federal government has said this is what we're going to pay for. This is the direction we want to go in. And I don't see where Vermont going off on its own is at all beneficial to our residents or our businesses in this state.
We're just going to keep moving forward, and hopefully by 2011, 2012, we can start putting in a real system that covers everybody, that makes sense, and puts our healthcare dollars to healthcare services.
A debate that affects every Vermonter with no cheap solution. Christine Hinkel, Channel 3 News, Montpelier.